Okay, good morning everyone. Grade 3B, how are you? Today we continue our idea about measuring area. We discussed yesterday that the area is the squares inside. For area, I'm using the unit which is a square unit. For area, I have two. For the rectangle and the square, it's about finding the product of multiplicate the the width with the length. Today we will have extra exercise, but it's the same idea. Here is lesson 4, chapter 9. We will solve together textbook 431, 434, and homework 177, 178. Let's start. Yes. Okay. So let's remember together, if I have this shape and I want to find the area of this shape, I have to count the squares inside. What that mean? I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the area here is 18 square unit, 18 square unit. Here is the same. Here in the rectangle I have 6 rows and 8 squares. So 6 times 8, remember the formula that A equals L times W, which 6 times 8 will be 48 square unit. So here is some example. We make it yesterday. Here is also if I don't have a partition squared, if I have a rectangle without a grid, how I find my area? I told you I have to find the length and the width. Here is the length and here is the width. The answer is to multiply them together. So area is length times width. This is, we can make it for a rectangle and for a square. So it is 9 times 4, 63. 7 times 5 is 35. Here is 20, and finally 25. So the same idea here. I have just to find out what is the area mean the squares inside. So let's start now. They do it for us. So do this number 3 together. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Now I have to count all the squares because here is not a regular shape. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. 27 is the answer. Now for this, I can find the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is 10. And here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 times 7 is 70. Here is 1, 2. No, here before I divide it into two areas. Here is area number 1 and here is area number 2. Let's find for the first rectangle. Here is 1, 2, 3. Here is a 3, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's more for me. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 times 7. Here is 21. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7 times 3 is 21. Yes. Okay, sorry, I just make the same page of the same lesson yesterday. So let's continue now. This is the page number 431 for our new lesson. Here is they ask to find the area of each figure. It's the same thing. Here I have to find how many square units I have. So I bring my pen here. They do for us number 1. Let's do number 2. Here is I have each one square is 1 square feet. So how many is this rectangle area of this rectangle? Let's count now the length. Here is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is 9. And here is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 9 times 5. Perfect is 45 square. Which unit I have? Perfect square feet. Now here 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 it's 9. So 9, what's the unit here? Inch. So it's a square inch. Here is in this lesson, they are focusing about the unit. That the unit could be centimeter, inches, and how I write the unit for the area. Here is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here is 1, 2, 3, 9 times 3. Yes, excellent. 27. What's the unit here? Meter. 27 square meter. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Double 4. Perfect. It's 8. And what about the unit? It's not centimeter, it's a square centimeter. Now what about this rectangle? 1, 2, 3. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 5. Perfect. 15. 15. And what about the unit? It's inch, so it's a square inch. Yes. Let's go to the next. Here is you have to match each figure with its area. Here is I have each square a centimeter. Each square here is square feet, and here is square inch. So how many squares here? 4 square centimeters. Where is 4 square centimeters? Here. What is? Yes, 4 square feet. Very nice. And here is inch, 4 square inches. So SM centimeters. FT means feet, and IN means inches. Here is find the area of each figure. This is the composite shape. I have to count the squares. Wait a minute. Okay. So here I have to count how many square centimeter this area. 1, 2, 3, 4. And count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 square feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square inch. Here I can make this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Double of 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 square meter. 10 square meter. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square inch and 4 yard. It's with the YD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 square yard. Here for the area for the rectangle, it's multiplication. Here is 4 times 2. Perfect. Double of 4 is 8. And here 2 and 3. 2 times 3, double of 3. Perfect. It's 6 square inch. Here is 5 times 5 in meter. Perfect. 25 square meter. Here is the problem solving. Lillian's box. Lillian box has a rectangular top with an area of 12 square centimeter. Draw Lillian's box top on the grid. Here is the grid paper. So I have the area, but I don't have the height or the length. Sorry, the length or the width. I don't have the length or the width. How, teacher, I will find it? Remember, teacher, two numbers, if I multiply together, they will be 12. Perfect. It will be 6 and 2. Perfect. So, area is L times what? Times width. If area is 12, 2 number equals 12 is 6 times 2. Or you can make it 3 times 4. You can choose any one you want. Anyone you want. So let's make 2. Here is 1, 2. Or we can make it 6 as you want. The same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. And here is 1, 2. This is the top of her box. Yes. Problem solving number 2. Explain how you can find the area of the shaded part. Here I have 4 and here is I have 3 inches. How? Yes, you can tell me that by drawing rows. Here I need to draw 4 rows. So how many lines I will draw? Remember grade 2? Yes, it's the number of rows of column minus 1. So here I have to draw 3. 1, 2, 3 lines. Let's count the column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I want to draw 3 rows, so I have to subtract 3 minus 1 to know how many lines. Yes, 2 lines. So this is the first line, and here is the second line. So that's the way how I can count them, or I can say 4 times 3 equals 12. But I have to know what the unit. It's a square inch. Okay, Dominic says that the area of the figure is 10 square centimeters. Did you agree? Explain. Let's see. Here is 3 and here is 2. 3 times 2, 6. Is it 10? You have to say, wait, you have to say no. Area is 6 square, sorry, centimeter. Yes. Here is A. Here is A, yes. Now here is to check your vocabulary. I told you this lesson we focus about the unit. So 1 square centimeter, it's what? It's a square with 1 inch sides, or 1 foot side, or 1 meter side, or 1 centimeter side. Perfect, 1 centimeter. 4 meter square, one square meter. 4 meter side, see the same word, meter, meter. 1 square inch, perfect for inch side. And 1 square foot, amazing for foot side. Perfect. Here is your homework. Yes, I guess it's the same thing that we make it. 1 inch, one side. Okay, here is your homework. They said match the figure with the right area. Yes, 6 times 4. 6 times 4. Perfect. 24. And 5 times 2. Very nice. 10. 3 times 4. Multiply it and match. Here is the same. You have to count the squares, or you can make it multiplication. For here also, tile each figure. Tile, that means you have to draw. Here is 4 columns, that means I have to draw 3 lines. So 1, sorry, it should not be here. It should be, wait, this is not later. It should be equal. So here is 1, 2, 3. So 4 columns, and I have to draw 2 lines for the 3 rows. 1, 2. After that, I write the answer. So I have to tile. Tile means to partitions your rectangle. Here is, I have to draw 1 with 1. Here is, I want to draw 4 lines with 2 lines. The last problem solving. The shape of 2 swimming pools is shown. Which pool had the greater area? So here is, I have 3 and 3 length, 3 width, and here is 5 with 5. If I multiply 3 times 3 with the answer, and 5 with 5 with the answer, and tell me which is greater area. This is the lesson for today. So easy, it's the same as yesterday, but we focus here more about the units, that the unit is different from one measure to other measure, for example, between meter, centimeter, and feet. But you have to be sure for area, I'm using a square unit, a squared unit. So remember, if they ask you tile your shape, that means you have to draw lines for your columns and for your rows. Remember, how many lines I draw? The rule said it's the number of columns and the number of rows minus 1. Don't draw for me, for example, here they want to say 5 squares. I have to draw 5 lines. When I'm drawing 5 lines, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So I have to say that's wrong. It's 5 minus 1, the answer 4. So here I have to draw 4 lines. 3 minus 1 is 2. Here I have to draw 2 lines. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you're doing great. Bye bye.